Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how you can use the first derivative to estimate what is going on at any point in the graph and not simply the minimums or maximums. If we know that the derivative is the rate of change, it should become a relatively straightforward fact that if the derivative is greater than 0 at a point, the function is increasing. If the derivative is less than 0, the function is decreasing, and if the derivative equals 0, the function is flat. Using this information, we can sketch the graph of a function like this by first determining where the derivative is 0, aka where the function is flat. And we know exactly how to do this already. So now we simplify the derivative of the function using techniques from algebra such as factoring in order to determine where exactly it is increasing or decreasing. And so we can draw the graph of the function, given that we know how to find places where the graph is flat and where the graph is increasing or decreasing. But unfortunately, our graph is not entirely accurate because of the fact we do not know the exact rate of curvature when the function is increasing or decreasing, which is what we will investigate in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see the other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.